Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to my another video. Today we will learn how to insert line shape in Google Sheets. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Google Sheets software. Now you want to insert line shape to this sheet. Go to the insert menu and select the image option. Otherwise you can go to the drawing option. Now I am go to drawing. Then we can see here the line shape. Now I am select this line and draw the line. Press and hold shift on our keyboard because the line is perfectly drawing. Then you can change the line thickness. Now I increase the line thickness. You can change the line as a dash, dot or anything. You can change the line color. Select this color option and change the color. Then click save and close. Now I am select the line shape and move anywhere. You can edit the line shape anywhere. Now we can see we insert line shape very easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel to get the next video very easily. Thanks for watching.